Just read it in reverse.
Hey, subscribe.
Cough.
And then thumb up. And then let me know the comments.
And then hype it.
What I just give my my Aubree present for birthday. Her birthday. Let me know the comments. Also, let me know the comments now. Anyways, look at my present.
Oh, never mind.
Whoa.
I'm gonna be on the bed slowly dying as I come out the store. Sorry, again.
And then,
Wow.
Yeah, you're abandoning me.
and then, money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Did you make what is this?
Oh,
It's okay, you
That-
got something.
bad.
No, that's not bad.
So I can,
And then what else you got?
donate.
Slime?
Can I see?
No.
I'm trying to figure out how to make a cake. Don't put it on the rug, okay? Because it's going to get stuck on the rug. You want me to keep your money? I hold it for you?
No, I got it.
Okay.
I can take care of it with it.
Mm-hmm. Only put that on your hand, okay? Not the rug. Oh, hell no. No.
What the heck?
Oh my God. What?
Hey, Sean, what's that? This slime?
Yeah.
I think it is. Turn it on. No, just turn it. Yeah. Oh my God, don't touch me.
Hey, Mom. Don't post it yet.
No,
Out
I'm
me.
not post that, boy. I don't like to post video. Only when you were young.
Post it on your channel, son, and I'll watch it every day.
Where's Colin?
He's in bed.
Oh, okay. We're just pokey, boy. It's gonna take long. Okay.
You know what?
I'm only asking whose food this is because I was gonna throw it away if you guys are not gonna eat it anymore.
That's not mine.
Colin, is this yours? Aubree, is this yours?
Yeah.
Which is mine?
That's
No.
yours?
Yeah.
I know, guys.
Well,
Look. Just look.
throw away your food if you're not gonna eat it already.
Yeah.
Come on, get up because pretty soon we're gonna go to the pool.
Okay.
Over here and throw this, please. Aubree. And throw away the trash that's on the table too.
Okay.
Get this. Get this, Aubree.
Huh?
And the trash on the table, the bottle and the other one.
plates. Oh boy, don't put that on your OMG.
Oh my god, that is so sticky.
Woo.
Happy birthday.
Do not put it on your clothes, son.
Hala.
No, what the frick?
He likes it though. It's
My
okay.
brother was
Oh,
messy.
God.
Huh?
My brother was like too messy.
Yeah. It's okay. As long as you don't put it on the rug, because if you put it on the rug, we have to pay for the rug. Don't put it on the rug.
Nalalagot ka.
Don't put it on the rug.
It's
son.
not easy to take out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we close this for a while so I can relax and lay down? Close this blinds on it?
This is so
Oh,
amazing.
close it like a little bit.
Sean, close the blinds, okay? Oh, wait, never
No,
mind.
no.
You
He has
can't, you
slimy
can't.
hands.
Yeah, I know.
And just turn on the lamp for him.
What is that, Sean? A big snake?
Oi! Chinese video.
Don't put it on your iPad. Don't put it on the... Close the blinds, Aubree.
Oh.
Sean, don't put that on the rug, son.
There.
Don't put it on the rug, son. I'm gonna make you clean that up.
Hala.
And no one is going to help me.
Oh, sorry, Colin.
Bye.
Did you want to sit down here?
You know, it's fine.
No, because you were there, so I wasn't gonna go there.
Yeah. It's still okay. You know what? We're
heck yeah,
gonna
I'm
give
rich
us
now.
to Walmart slice of pizza.
Yeah, eat as much as you want. We have plenty of food.
Oh, dude. You know what? Alright then. I'm gonna take
Whatever you want, man.
As a matter of fact, you guys take some home. Take some home. We don't need that much food.
Yeah.
I was trying to invite other people, but then they're sick, so I cannot come.
I have Robux now. I'll donate to you.
What time is it?
Almost one.
We're at 12:46 now. Do you suggest we start dressing up for it right now or no?
Yeah.
Wait, where do I get my clothes, Mom?
In the first drawer.
In your bag, silly. Right?
Hold on.
In the first drawer. The cake was okay.
You're taking
It
too
looked
long.
better than what it tastes, honestly.
Oh god. Ah. Man, the domestic abuse of this relationship is insane. Ah.
You're too funny, guys. What are you taking video here?
Oh my god, that is gonna get onto the carpet.
Sean, don't give your mom a heart attack. Sean, not on your sister's birthday, son.
Shucks.
Sean, please. Don't put that on the carpet, son.
I'm trying to.
It's on, what is that? Is it on your feet already?
Please.
Is that on your
Please
feet?
help me.
Help you what?
Hala, it's gonna on the money.
Get out.
That's okay. It's gonna come out. Don't freak out. Just relax. Gosh. I think Sean is like me and you're like Dad.
10 out of 10 face right here.
Whoa. Whoa. Nice. Lament, mourn, despair. Sick.
Sean, what the heck? That's 10 minutes.
What? 10 minutes of what?
Video of the morning.
Sean, I think you should put it back because we're gonna go to the pool soon. Maya, you got pool clothes? Yeah, you wanna change in the bathroom already? Yeah? Aubree, you wanna go?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, so get your clothes in the first drawer.
Hey, yeah, heck yeah, boy.
Wait, what do I wear?
You're wearing your swimsuit that you always wear.
What? That sound? No, it's that smell.
First
This
drawer,
is
Aubree.
like so cool. Because this is so
Who else
cool.
am I talking to?
That's somebody else.
You.
That's somebody else.
You guys don't have to go in the same room. You could go in another room, Aubree. Shh. Weird.
Jeez. Well, might as well get ready myself then. I'm gonna grab my clothes.
Yeah. Sean, put it away. We're gonna go to the pool, son.
Should I bring my towel?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Dan.
Okie dokie. You. Nice.
I'm just waiting for them to Alright. You're trying to sleep right now?
Yeah.
Why? We're gonna go to the pool.
Yeah.
You're too much.
Oh yeah, Miss Winnie, I've been meaning to ask. You really made Aubree's birthday cards? And drew them?
Birthday what?
The invitation cards that Aubree gave us.
Oh no,
You
I
really
asked
drew
her
them?
to make it.
Oh,
Yeah.
by the way, I'm very impressed. They're very nice. Oops, and I dropped it.
Yeah, she just uses Canva. I was gonna make it for her last year. I made it, but she made it this year.
Alright. And where the heck's my phone? Oh well.
Just call it.
Alright.
Ask Aubree to call it. Or you want me to call it? Is it gonna ring if I call it?
Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I remember leaving its ringer on anyway. So, alright. Cool.
It's right there.
Really? That's not it?
Oh.
Aha! It's here then.
That's Maya's.
Hello, Aubree. I'm not accepting this call. Bye.
Okay.
Really calm.
Who's in the bathroom?
Oh, wait a minute.
I was.
I can change
I just
now.
closed the door.
Go, Aubree, go. Yeah. I mean, Carmen's gonna go.
The heck?
Sean, come on, we gotta change.
Get this out my
Hold on.
Your hand?
hand.
You need to wash your hand. OMG.
Ay, sis Marios.
Wait a minute. Should I just let Sean in the bathroom instead of them?
Come here, come here.
It'll just give you a headache.
I know, my mother likes to play with this.
Hey, who's in the bathroom?
Get up first.
Just leave it on open for Sean.
Ay, you eat too much, you eat too much, you eat too much. How can we win? Are you a wiener like daddy? Are you a wiener?
Do some, yo.
Come here, come here. Sean, no, no, no. Come here.
Oh, where did I make my shirt already?
It's okay. It's coming out. Don't get crazy. It's coming out. Just don't.
Why is it warm?
I think we should wait to play with this, son.
I think you should play outside.
Yeah, outside, not here.
It's way too messy and you have to play. I think.
Yeah, you're gonna play.
Babe, I need like 10 minutes, babe.
What?
10 minutes.
What?
Stop being mean, Dad.
Jesus Mario.
Okay, what does that mean? My mom always says that.
It's an expression.
Yeah, it's an expression I told you.
What does it mean though?
What's Mariose?
Joseph.
Sus is Jesus. Mariosep is Mary Joseph. So it's like you're saying, oh my God, but you're saying Jesus.
Yeah.
It's not really good to say.
Okay, got it.
Daddy.
But I mean, it's better than FU, right?
Yeah, that's better.
John, wash your hand. Wash your hand, son.
Yeah,
Give me the cover. Maya, can you give me the cover to this thing? Yeah, sorry.
Go. Seven.
Well, wash your hand. Wash your hand.
40.
Wash your hand, son.
Heck yeah.
Ew. Excuse me.
Wash your hand, son.
That's like saying Colin Joseph.
Huh?
Heck yeah. I don't know you like dog man.
Yes, I love dog man.
Oops.
She knows dog, man. She has a lot of books.
She's just like me.
What happened?
He hit his toe.
On what?
You're just like me, Aubree.
Don't worry, that's a
I
valid
also
crash out.
don't.
I stub my toe almost every other day.
Where? Where did you hit your toe? There's something blocking it or something?
I guess you're just like me, Aubree.
Wait, what?
Because I also read dog man.
Oh, wait, what?
You do?
Wait. What books do you have?
There were, I believe, where Petey has a little clone on him.
Yeah, that's
She has a lot.
that's the red book. Yeah,
Yeah, I think.
yeah I'll just read this.
I tried to find the latest one, but it doesn't come till November.
Latest one is the
I forgot the one.
one that has the purple cat, Big Jim.
Yeah.
I
That
can
one.
already tell I love Big Jim.
You like that too, Colin?
Yeah? Recently I got into dog man myself. Though I don't exactly have many books because the last time I did read a dog man book was when I was in 5th grade.
Yeah, it is middle school, but it's funny.
Yeah, it is. I had absolutely no thoughts of it when I read through it, other than the pictures looked nice. I seriously need to catch up. Too bad I'm gonna be spending all my money on getting the latest book for Aubree instead.
What?
You heard me?
I don't need any more. I think I got mostly all of them
It doesn't
now.
come till November.
Except for Big Jim Begins.
Yeah, I'm absolutely getting that for you.
Aubree, can you throw this? I need to get ready. And I need to get your brother ready.
Okay.
Well, I guess I'll
Come on,
just be
Shine.
waiting outside
Come here, son.
myself then, if you don't mind.
Okay, bye.
Actually, I am bringing my flask with me.
Why the heck is this still recording?